Hello viewers, welcome back. So far we have seen how to create presentations, that too awesome looking presentations with the help of the tool called as Prezi. In this lecture, we are going to make use of those presentations we have done so far and convert that into a video lecture. Isn't it cool? Yes, it is. So for doing so, we are going to make use of a process known as screencasting or screen recording. So what exactly is screencasting? Screencasting is a simple process in which you record whatever activities are happening on your computer monitor or your computer screen. So what exactly happens is we are going to make use of few of the screencasting softwares. Let me show you some. Right now I'm recording this video on a software known as Camtasia Studio. But for this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make use of a free alternative which is known as Screencast-O-Matic. So let me open this website for you. This is the website where you can download the Screencast-O-Matic software from. Okay, this will open up. Press on this launch free recorder button. Once you do so, it will launch in the background. You can see whenever I'm speaking something, the narration bar keeps on moving. It shows that my mic is currently working fine. This is the free version, so it won't be able to capture the audio from your system. For example, if you play a video in the background, that video sound will not be captured because it's a free version. But it is still a lot better than many other screencasting softwares available for free. The only drawback of this is it gives only a maximum 15 minutes duration video. So what you can do is, if your lecture is of a longer duration, you can create multiple captures and then combine them together with the help of any freely available video editing softwares. Correct? So let's see how exactly we can convert those presentations we had created so far into a full-fledged video. So to begin with the presentation capture, let me go back to the presentation slide. It looks something like this. So let me click this record button. It will start the recording. With a countdown of 3, 2 and 1, it will begin. Okay, so we are live right now. Let me discuss about few tools which we are going to see in this upcoming video lecture series. Let's see what about interactive tests. Well, we have seen how to create presentations, how to share it with the students, but what about capturing their assessment? What about capturing how much marks they have got so far, how much knowledge they have gained so far? That can be done with the help of a test, right? So we can create interactive tests using a tool called as Hot Potatoes, which we are going to learn in the future video lessons. Okay, so that's it for this recording. Let me stop this recording. Okay, so now you can see that the recording is done. Now let me get back to the control panel to see how much recording is done. 39 seconds of recording is complete. Okay, so how to save it? Simply click on this done button. Once after clicking on the done button, you will be presented with two options, either save or upload, or even edit the video. All this for free. You can edit the video, you can cut some section, you can add some text onto it. But finally, before saving, just click on this button, save/upload. Once you are satisfied with the video content, you can save your content as a MP4 or any video format file, right? You can directly upload to YouTube as well. That is a very good feature. I liked it. For this tutorial purpose, let's just save it as a video file. Okay. So once you click on save, it will give you an option to publish it, right? You can change the file name. For example, I wish the file name to be demo. So it will be demo.mp4 because the type is MP4. You can save it either in MP4 or in AVI or in FLV. Three options are there. And finally, you can also add the cursor. Either cursor highlight or no cursor. What it does is, wherever your mouse moves, it will highlight that area either in yellow color or whatever color it is by default. Okay, and finally click on this publish. It will publish in few minutes time. Depending upon the size of your video, the duration of the video, it will take some time. Let me pause this video and I will come back once it's done. Well, it took almost 2 minutes to complete the exporting process. Now it's done. I can go to the folder where it is stored. By default, it's on desktop. You can change the location wherever you wish. You can directly play it from here as well. It's on my desktop demo. Okay, let me play it. So we are live right now. Let me discuss about few tools which we are going to see in this upcoming video lecture series. Let's see what about interactive tests. Well, we have seen how to create presentations, how to share it with the students, but what about capturing their assessment? What about... So you saw what happened exactly, right? You also saw the cursor. Wherever I move my mouse, there was a yellow halo which followed the mouse. So this is what I was talking. This tool is very handy, and you saw how I converted a particular presentation done on Prezi into a full-fledged video lecture. So this is how I used to conduct my lecture during this pandemic situation where we have no other option just to sit at our homes and carry out the lectures so the students can benefit out of it. In the same fashion, you can carry out your lectures by creating beautiful contents either directly through a video, or you can convert an existing presentation into a full-scale video. I would like to thank you all for being a part of this video series so far, and there are many more to come. Many exciting features and many exciting activities we are going to do in this session. So stay tuned for the upcoming lectures. If you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do it, because there are many more things to come for you. Thank you so much.